Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to our online classes by Little Scholars Public School. This is Shilpa Patil here. Today, we are going to start our Social Studies 4th chapter, Means of Communication. From this chapter, we are going to learn about personal communication and mass communication. Children, have you experienced when your teacher is teaching? You want to ask her a question? What will you do? Will you shout or just raise your hand? क्या करेंगे आप जोर से चिल्लाएंगे या फिर आपका हाथ ऊपर करेंगे? Yes, you will raise your hand. Have you seen a bus conductor blowing a whistle? What he is trying to say? Yes, he is trying to say to get inside the bus. Why does the guard in a train show a green flag? To start the train. These all are the things by which we can understand the instructions are given by the particular person. A dancer makes gesture called mudras. We understand and enjoy them. A mime artist makes you laugh by his expressions. Do you know, children, Charlie Chaplin? Yes, Charlie Chaplin was a mime artist. That means without saying a single word, he makes us laugh by doing his different kinds of gestures, like whatever faces he makes us laugh. He was a mime artist. See the following pictures and write what they are saying. Yes, the first picture, the mudra of a dancer says namaste, and the artist is going to say hello to everyone. Now we are going for this personal communication. We interact with each other in various ways. We talk, we write, or make gestures to convey information to others. These kinds of signs and symbols by which we can understand the things. These are the methods of means of communication. Talking is most effective way of communicating. Places where talking is not possible, we use signs and signals. Where the talking is not possible, we use to do the things like this. We want to show them what we want to say. इस तरह के साइंस और सिंबल्स जो होते हैं, सिग्नल्स जो होते हैं, उनके थ्रू हम बताते हैं कि हमें क्या बताना है. तो जब बात करना पॉसिबल नहीं होता है तो इस तरह के हम साइंस और सिग्नल्स यूज़ करते हैं. If we have to communicate the people who are far away, we usually write letters to them or speak to them over the telephone. Can you name this following? Yes, the first one is the postcard, second one is envelope, and third one is post ticket. Now we are going to learn about the letters. Letter writing has been practiced from a very long time by people. The messenger used to travel in ancient times. The letters were sent through messengers like this. The messenger who used to travel on foot or the horses delivers the letters. पुराने ज़माने में क्या होता था, जब पोस्ट ऑफिसेस नहीं हुआ करते थे तो लोग पैरों से चल के या फिर घोड़ों पर चल के इस तरह के लेटर्स एक दूसरे को प्रोवाइड करते थे या फिर देते थे. Courier pigeons were trained to carry messages. Pigeons also were trained. You can see in this picture that one of the pigeon is carrying the letter by his legs, and one of the pigeons on his leg, the letter is binded. And in the third picture you can see that On his neck one kind of belt is there, and on that a letter is written and packed it. So this way the pigeons were trained to carry the messages. Children, ask the following people and write how they send messages. Grandmother, your grandmother you have to ask, your father, your mother, your brother, sister, a vendor or a shopkeeper. You can ask to these people how they used to send the messages in their times. These days messages are sent through letters, emails and mobile phones or phones. Nowadays we can see the letters are sent through the letters, emails from the computers or the mobiles, or through mobile phones by the WhatsApp we can send the messages. Sending letters through post office is a popular and an age-old system of communication. A post office sells postcards, inland letters, envelopes and stamps. This is a postcard, envelope, inland letter and stamps. If you ask your parents, they will tell you very well. These are the post tickets or the stamps we can say. We post our letters in a post box in our neighborhood. These types of letters were used to send in the post boxes in our neighborhood. If you have ever seen the post box like this, the postman collects the letters from the post bag and takes them to the main post office. This way, the man or the postman collects the letters from the post boxes or the letter boxes, and it will be received by the post offices. Here the letters are stamped. Letters are stamped like this. The person is stamping the letters and sorted out based on cities, states and countries. This way the people, whoever the staff members of the post office are there, they are sorting out. वो अलग अलग सिटी के, अलग अलग स्टेट के या फिर कंट्रीज़ के जो लेटर्स होते हैं उनको सॉर्ट आउट करते हैं. यानी एक एक बॉक्स ऐसे बनाए जाते हैं और उसमें उसको सॉर्ट किया जाता है, अलग अलग किया जाता है. देन letters are packed into different bags and sent to different places by vans, trains, aeroplanes and even ships. This is the mail or the Indian post by the mail van, by which this kind of boxes which were packed in the post offices are sent to the different cities or the states by these mail vans. इस तरह के जो पैक किए गए लेटर्स होते हैं इस तरह से पैक किए जाते हैं और ये लेटर्स वैन्स में से, शिप्स में से अलग अलग जगहों पर भेज दिए जाते हैं. वंस these letters are reached the city or town, they are taken to the post office in that area. जब ये पूरे लेटर्स उस सिटी के, टाउन के पोस्ट ऑफिस में जाते हैं, देन अगेन इट सॉर्टेड आउट वंस अगेन अकॉर्डिंग टू द एरियाज़. यानी समझो अगर नांदेड़ में सारे लेटर्स आ गए, पोस्ट ऑफिस में नांदेड़ के आ गए, तो नांदेड़ में भी जितने सारे नगर है, एरियाज़ है, लाइक भावसा चौक इज़ देयर, छत्रपति नगर इज़ देयर, छत्रपति चौक इज़ देयर, शिवाजी नगर, श्रीनगर, these different kinds of areas are there and they are sorted out like the areas, by the areas. Finally the postman delivers the letters to the right address. इस तरह से फिर से एक बार sorting किया जाता है एरिया वाइज. सिटी में आने के बाद या फिर टाउन में आने के बाद सॉर्ट आउट किया जाता है. And finally the postman gives the letter to the particular person on the right address. To send a letter to a person in another country, we use aerograms. This is the aerogram letter. अगर दूसरे कंट्री में अगर हमें लेटर भेजना है तो उसे कहते हैं एरोग्राम. We send parcels also थ्रू द पोस्ट ऑफिसेस, हम पोस्ट ऑफिसेस के थ्रू पार्सल्स भी भेज सकते हैं. वी कैन ऑल्सो सेंड आवर लेटर्स एंड पार्सल्स थ्रू कुरियर सर्विसेज. कुरियर सर्विसेज से भी हम हमारे लेटर्स या पार्सल्स भेज सकते हैं. चिल्ड्रन, यू कैन फाइंड आउट द नेम्स ऑफ 2 courier service providers in your area. I hope all of you understand this video, children. Thank you very much for watching it, and you have to write the hard words from these chapters and send it to me. Thank you.